Hi, honey. Oh, God. I haven't worn her in a hot minute because I don't do pink and blue Harley. And I love this wig because it does stay on my head. It's very, very secure. Oh, here's a big, big tip. Whenever you're brushing out your wig, you always start from the bottom because you don't want to like make any tangles or knots worse. So very similar to like if you have very, very long hair, do the same thing. Okay, well I got the blue side brushed out. Ish. I said ish. You didn't have to throw a tangle at me. Come on. Get out of there. Thank you. Okay. So what I'm doing with the lace, for those who may not know, is I am pinning it in place so that it doesn't lift up or move in the styling process. Go away, you were not invited to this party. You. No. I can already tell I'm gonna need so many more hair ties. Because it's so much hair. I mean, it's supposed to be messy. It's a Harley, for God's sake. See, now I don't know how to do, like, the fun, messy buns. There's so much hair here. Now y'all over here showing me that I can do it low. I hate my life. I hate my life. I hate it. There's one. It says to twist it and tease it. You're not the right shade of blue. Wait, no, that's bullying. I don't know how to tease without being mean, so. Let's see. Which brush do I want to use to tease? Use this one. I have to do it in sections. In sections. Me says I need to do it in sections. Also me immediately stops doing it in sections because it was taking too long. I don't know if this is the kind of teasing that I'm supposed to be doing, but the instructions say tease it. And you guys can't see what I'm doing, so. Keep teasing. It's not wanting to tease properly. So, we need to add in some Fun time. I need like a spray guard so that I don't accidentally spray it like all over my everything. It got on my hoodie. Also, check out my hoodie. I got it in last night. The back design is really cool, but like, I love it. There's a reason why I'm just styling and not dyeing wigs right now. Okay, so I have teased this after I sprayed it with the hairspray. The underside doesn't tease very well, obviously, because I don't have great access to it. What this is gonna do, not a clue. Stretch out my ponytail holder. Hi, Bubs. Is the storm scary? Yeah? And I'm sorry if there's like extra background noise. It's hot. So I have, and I know I'm wearing a hoodie. That's what I do. This looks more like Princess Leia now, and I'm borderline hating it. So let me see if I can move it farther to the back. No, not to the front, to the back. As I'm sure you guys can gather from this mess, I did not put my hair in buns a lot. I didn't. Like, they're just, I didn't do it. You should twist it, and it's so cute. Like, I want. Hold on. Idea. We'll see if it works. So we can tuck some of that. Okay. It doesn't look bad. I'm not saying it looks bad. It doesn't look great though. But you know what? I'm happy with it. It'll probably all fall out when I actually try to wear it. So I'm just going to give it this lovely healthy coat of spray. I'm actually kind of vibing with it. Fingers crossed that it will stay that way. Unfortunately, I feel like if I had more bobby pins, I could like just kind of shove stuff places. But I don't. Obviously, look at my hair. Feeling overwhelmed. But she do need Jesus. She do need Jesus. But Jesus is busy, so we're gonna use Aussie Kids. So for curls, like on the other side, you guys saw me using this side of the comb. For curls, I like to use this part of my comb because it's a wider tooth. At least for the initial, because I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really messed up all in here. Subway and cereal for breakfast. Yummy. Jimmy John's. Yummy. Yogurt. Good, good, good. Good job, Beans. Proud of you. Proud of you for eating. Okay, how... Oh, come on. Oh, there's a big knot right there. There we go. Base of the skull area, so like back here. Hi. I know I brushed my teeth and whitened my teeth today. Are you proud of me? Big chongus. Okay. Oh no, before I tighten that, I want to smooth this out. Just a bit. I know Harley's not a perfectionist. I know. Also, you have to call me out. I know I'm being a perfectionist. Time to tease. Wait. I'm missing several steps. I need at least 2 more hair ties on this thing. Ow, there we go. But Kai, you just brushed it out. What are you doing? I have no control over my life. That, I would like to say, is really nice and tease. Look at that hot mess. Look at that hot mess. What are you doing? What are you doing? What did I do this? I see you leaning to the side. You're not supposed to lean to the side. You're supposed to be stable. You're supposed to be stable. Listen, one of us has to be stable in this relationship, and it cannot be me. What do you want? You want, go get that June bug. And it keeps getting caught on my nails because my nails are so flimsy right now that it's frustrating. Okay. Alright, I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. I'm not gonna spray it until I have the other bobby pins in. I'll give it a spritz. Oh, hello. Oh my god, it hangs so much lower. I think the other bobby pins will help with that. There. Okay. Whew. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next stream. Bye bye.